So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse bulbs on a 2025 Kia Sorento. The stock halogen bulbs that it comes with are abysmal, to say the least, and they do not help at night. They don't provide like any sort of light. So I'm replacing them with LED bulbs, and I will walk you through how to do it. I believe the 2025 model year, they actually changed it from previous years. It's this kind of new design here. It's a little bit trickier to get to based on other videos I've seen for previous model years. So we're going to start on the driver's side here, and I'm going to show you how to access the bulb and get it changed out. I actually ended up going with LasFit, or LasFit, I don't know how you pronounce it. Pretty good quality bulb here. I have it on another vehicle and it's worked out pretty well. So shout out LasFit, whatever it is. Good quality stuff, not sponsored. So first things first, there's this panel here, plastic panel. It's held on by 3 clips here. Pretty standard clips. You just need some trim panel removal tools and you can get those out quickly. Now going to the inner side here, we got these here. If you look here on this side, actually this side and the opposite side, there's this little pattern here. So what you need to do is squeeze those and unscrew. And once you get to a certain point, you can just pull them out. There's that one. And you just got to do the other one. So once you pull that panel off, throw it to the side. Then once you come up in here, kind of see this white housing thing. And it's going to be this guy here. So you give that a little twist, pull it down, and I've actually already changed out to the LED. There you go. So on the passenger side now, this one is actually a little bit easier. First of all, make sure your muffler is not hot, because that would make it a little bit trickier. You don't want to burn yourself. But the bulb is right there, so all you got to do is just reach up in there, loosen it, and replace it. So it's a little bit tricky to get loose here, but you want to turn it counterclockwise there if you're looking straight up at it. If it helps, you can unplug this little clip here for the wires, better access to it. So pull it out, take out the bulb, replace with whatever bulb you have, LED, put it back up in there. So go ahead, once you get your new bulb in there, rotate, don't forget to clip in that little thing, and that's it. All right, last thing left to do is to test them out, make sure they work. So I wanted to show you what it looked like with the new bulbs in. Before, when you put it in reverse, I just have the camera on right now. When you put it in reverse, you really couldn't tell that the bulbs were on at all. So these are the new bulbs. It lights up the area pretty good. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but it's just a really nice improvement over what the halogen bulbs look like. All right, so that's that. Driver's side was a little trickier, not too bad. Passenger side was really easy. Hopefully this helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.